everybody, this is the website boy with tutorial number 13 on this series. This is going beyond what I thought. And guess what? We're going to jump into the advanced very soon. And today we're going to be talking about styling buttons with Bootstrap. And this is a great a tutorial because it makes things prettier on your website. It creates a really nice functionality. And if you, I don't know if you know CSS, but it takes a lot of code to just to create a really advanced button on Bootstrap. That I mean, not on Bootstrap, on your document, on HTML document, right? A lot of CSS, but Bootstrap with just a couple classes makes your buttons look great on hover, active, on whatever state you want. So, this is a very cool tutorial, and don't give up. Bootstrap is gonna make you more money if you're doing this for the money, and if you're doing this just for the hobby, it's gonna make things a lot easier for you. So don't give up. Keep watching the videos. All right, you're gonna do fine. If you want to navigate my course, this is how you do it. Make sure you subscribe right now if you haven't done so already. And I don't see why you haven't if you have not, because you are in tutorial number 13, unless you're just watching this for the first time. Don't miss out, because I'm going to create the fullest, the most advanced tutorials about Bootstrap in the world. So keep watching it, all right? Now, if you want to do everything like me, I use Sublime Text. You can use whatever code editor you want. I also use the Emmet plugin, which makes my coding very fast. And for those of you that already installed Sublime Text and your 30-day trial period expired and haven't bought the software, you can use Notepad++ for Windows, or you can use Text Wrangler for Mac. Now, these are code editors, all right, guys? You can this is what you use to write code with. It's very, very simple to install, right? I also have videos on showing you how to do this if you go back to the first video. Those of you that love my videos but forget to like, don't do it. Just like it. All right, don't forget. Just hit that like button right there at the end, or even in the beginning, because my videos are gonna be awesome anyway. So my tutorials, right? So don't forget the websiteboy.com/snippets. This is where you can download the exercise file for each video. All right, so the websiteboy.com, have it on your desktop, save it right now, create a shortcut. It's gonna be an awesome website in the future. So maybe it is right now by the time you're watching this. All right, so keep that in mind. All right, for those of you that like my videos, thank you. You are my life online. All right, you are my battery every single day. Once I see those likes, I go crazy. I almost get teary eyes. All right, because I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much, really. All right, so let's go ahead and let's start let's do some styling for buttons on Bootstrap. Let's go ahead and make some buttons on Bootstrap. All right, so we're gonna go to our regular folder, Bootstrap folder, and we're gonna grab our one of these files and do a save as on it like we usually do. First, we bring our co-editor into the screen so you can see it. Well, you got to do it also, so make sure you open your co-editor. All right, and we're gonna call it buttons. Save. All right, so let's go back to it. Let's find the file, double click it, or you can just right click and open your browser. In my case, I gotta double click it, and this is that file right here. What I want to do, I'm going to create some buttons. I'm going to put them right below here. That's what I'm going to do. Put a button right here that says read more. All right, so in order for us to do that, we have to go to that specific line of code, which is right here. I want to add a button right there, and it's going to be an a tag, anchor tag some people call it, and we put a pound or hash, right? And we're just gonna say read more, and we're gonna put 2 lines in there. I'm gonna refresh it, and if you can see, there's a regular link, right? But we want to make it a button. We want to make it something that looks nice, right? So let's go ahead and add a class to that called BTN. And BTN is just, BTN alone is not gonna do much. If you refresh it, it's just gonna give it some padding, and I don't know what else, but you can inspect the element if you want. So I wanted to do something else. Let's give it another class, BTN primary. Let's refresh it, and boom, I got a lighter blue. When I hover over it, it's gonna get black. Well, darker blue, not black. Black. But anyway, so So we got that going. We Bootstrap also has one called default. Let me see if I remember how to spell that. Default, and refresh it. It's just the default one. All right. That way you can just put any color you want on it, and of course you just right click on it, and these are the colors. You can change it to whatever you want. See that? In inspect element you could do that. Anyways, I'm gonna refresh it because I don't want that. I want to show you the other ways. Now we can change the size of this button too. Let's put another class called btn large LG and refresh it, and boom, it makes it big. See that? We can also make it smaller than that, and we can just put btn xs, refresh, and just makes a small button. We can also change the color of that button. We can, instead of calling it default, we can call it success, refresh. Actually, I'm misspelling this. It has two C's. Yep. Success, refresh, green. See that? And of course, we can change this large and change this success to warning. Refresh, warning. And if it has a warning, it must have a danger, right? So let's do this danger. Maybe that's a really nice red. Oh, it is. Look at that. Beautiful. And of course, if you click it, it just refreshes the page. Unless you put a link into that. So anyway, that's how you make really nice buttons on Bootstrap. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. I'm gonna be showing you how to do some a lot more great stuff in Bootstrap. I'm gonna take you to the advanced section on Bootstrap, and we're gonna be building some really nice websites. So keep tuned, keep watching all my videos, keep subscribing, keep liking it, guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.